Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by launching in Vivo Mobile and loading the study you want to export. Make sure the images and metadata are fully synced. Once done, navigate to the study view and tap the export or print icon. This is the entry point to create a PDF. You choose which series or screenshots to include right away because selecting at the start saves rework. Also verify annotation layers and patient header data are visible. This determines what appears in the final PDF. Now you refine what goes into the PDF. Pick individual series, slices, and any annotations or measurements you want visible. Make sure to set page orientation and image size, portrait for reports, landscape for wide series, and decide whether to include patient headers and study notes. Once you configure image quality and compression, use the app's preview function to inspect every page. This lets you catch cropping or illegible annotations before finalizing. Finish by tapping Export or Save as PDF and selecting where to put the file, local device, a cloud folder, or attach to an email. You should verify the file name, permissions, and that every page is legible in the generated PDF. Once saved, open the file to confirm image quality and metadata presence. If the export fails or pages are blank, check available storage, ensure the app has file permissions, update in Vivo Mobile, and restart your device before retrying as a reliable troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.